What's wrong with being, what's wrong with being, what's wrong with being confident? What's wrong with being, what's wrong with being, what's wrong with being confident? It's time to get the chains out. Is your tongue tied up? 'Cause this is not right, and I'm dangerous.
Hi guys, so I'm on my way to do a promotion for a makeup company. So I'm on my way to Savannah Mar today. My first time traveling so far by myself. So yeah, so come on the journey with me. So this might be a week-long vlog. Well, I'll try because I don't really have much to do. So I'll try and make it a week-long vlog.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy cats. You done?
I love ketchup chips. Oh my gosh, they need them in LA or something. They need them in LA. Yeah. I was in LA. Yeah, I was in LA.
They because it's different when you're doing crime, but I can tell you something. They look at money because everyone wants to see the grant. I mean, there are three things that people need to go down for. They want to see what the grant is like. They want to see the grant ring. Because if nobody looks at your ring after this, after you pronounce it, I will not teach another day in my life. They may look at it and say, what's what it is? And from the instant, when it was collected there or individually, there is some amount of taste. These are extremely beautiful, and they come to the state. Now.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. If I find my way home, yeah.
Comes and sleep with me until I wake up. Then she gone about her business. Right, boo? Hi.
So I'm here about to do a face. Don't I look cute today? In the bathroom. I'm Pegasus. Whatever. Anyways. Isn't this cute? So this area here in the bathroom. So cute. Alright, it's not doing a show, my girl. Let's secure the gear.
Yes, sir. Join me, Martin Accelerators and the World
Ugly man.
alongside DJ Delhi, live from 1 to 5, giving you non-stop entertainment all day long. This is an experience, folks. You don't want to miss out on.
Have you ever
Number.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna help me cook tomorrow? Damn. I don't know. Yes, so today's a few days until New Year's. Going on the road because I have nothing to do, I guess. Should have been at the beach. Yes. Good up here already. Yeah, so there on the road. Me and the famous Jody. And I'm about to try and cross the road with this. No. Right here, some crossing. That's nice. Come cross now. And shit. So we cross the road, yeah. Woo! Is there a hardware store over here? Oh, down there, so. We have a fix. Yes, yes. Sure? No, I'm fighting my leaf. What's up? We did that? No, we didn't. I'm gonna teach her this. No. Anyways, we're at the Portmore Mall walking, cause what I do don't have a shit.